Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add your logo and branding to Wave Invoices. Adding your logo to Wave Invoices is an essential step in building your brand identity. Here's how to do it. First, go to Invoice Settings. In the Settings section of the Invoice tab, you want to select Templates to open the Template Customization page. Next, upload your logo. Now in the logo section, click the Upload Logo button. Choose the image file, usually a PNG or JPEG, of your logo that you want to appear on the invoice. Wave recommends a logo size of 200 by 200 pixels, but you can adjust this if needed. Next, adjust logo size and placement. After uploading your logo, you can adjust the size to make sure that it fits properly on the template. You may also have the option to set its placement, such as the top left or centered. This ensures that the logo is visible and aligned with your preferred layout. Next, save your settings. Once your logo is uploaded and placed correctly, just click Save to store your new branding. This will automatically include your logo on all future invoices. With this simple addition, every invoice you send will carry your brand identity, enhancing professionalism and recognition. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.